Hi everybody, I'm back with another portfolio update. So right now my Robinhood portfolio is at $126,601.43. Today I lost $7,206. That's a 5.39% loss. I'm not even mad. It's Friday. Fridays are usually red anyways. At least lately they've been mostly red from what I've noticed. So this is to be expected. So I'm not really that worried about this. I'm still confident that it's going to bounce back eventually. So that's okay. Plus, I'm at 126,000. That's considering how much money I had a few months ago. The fact that I'm at 126,000 now is amazing. I'm so happy. Like the fact that I lost $7,000 today, it's not even a big deal to me because I've gained so much that even a loss like today, it doesn't really faze me. And moving forward, the things in my portfolio, they're not even at their max profit yet. They expire in December, which is like more than 2 months from now. So they still have a long way to go until they hit their max profit, assuming that I'm right. Anyways, even though today was a down day and it was red, I'm still really happy with my portfolio. So let's talk about what's in my portfolio right now. I've got 3 call debit spreads. And if you've been watching my videos, I made a video, I think yesterday, talking about how Intel was the most attractive stock that I was looking at. And if it dropped below into the 47s, that I would jump in and do a play. And that's what I did. So I've got as usual, this has been here for a while, my Cinemark $5 7.5 call debit spread. So max profit is at above $7.50. Right now Cinemark is at $9.34. So it is above $7.50. Let's hope it stays that way until December 18th, which is the expiration. Even now, as you can see here, the total return is over $12,000 so far. But this isn't even its max profit. It still has a long way to go until December. And this is the new play that I opened today because I saw a good opportunity with Intel. I believe that Intel will bounce back. I don't think it's going anywhere. They make a lot of money. Like, they're not a small company. I think they're going to still stick around. They do have their problems, of course, but let's hope that they get their act together. So yeah, this is the Intel 47.5 call debit spread. So I'm basically betting that Intel will stay above $47.50 up until expiration. And right now, Intel is above $47.50. It's at $48.13. This morning, it dropped to the 47s, like 47.92, 47.96. And that's when I bought it, when it was in the high $47 range. So I opened this today, and the total return is $5. So better than nothing. That's like a burger at an In-N-Out or something. So yeah, $5 return, really good. This expires in December 18th also, so it has more than 2 months to go. Let's hope it works out. They had a really bad earnings. I heard that their data centers weren't making that much money as expected. But let's hope they bounce back. That's what I'm betting on. All right, and lastly, we have my AT&T 27.28 call debit spread. So I'm betting that AT&T will stay above $28 for max profit. This one, it actually is not above $28. AT&T right now is at $27.80. So close, but no, it dipped below. In the beginning of the day, though, it was above 28. But then I guess throughout the day it started just going down and down. So yeah, this actually dipped below $28. So it's below the price for max profit, but when you do a spread on Robinhood, it'll give you the details, right? And as you can see here, the break-even price is $27.42, which means it's exactly what it sounds like. The break-even price is the price that AT&T has to be at in order for me to break even. So if AT&T is at $27.42 at expiration, then I break even. If it's higher than that, then I'll make a profit. If it's lower than $27.42, then I'll have a loss. It is higher than $27.42 though, so at least it's above the break-even price. That's good. Hopefully, ideally, I want it to stay above 28 though. So let's hope that it goes back above 28 in the next few weeks or so. But yeah, even then, I'm still at a big profit right now. As you can see here, the total return, $11,200. So even though it's dipped below the price for maximum profit, I'm still making a good profit off of it right now. So I'm happy. So yeah, those are the only three things in my portfolio right now. These three call debit spreads, one for Cinemark, one for Intel, and one for AT&T. Yeah, if we look at the total return, as you can see, my Cinemark and my AT&T have made me some really good gains so far. Intel, the call debit spread right here, only made me $5 so far, but that's because I literally just opened it today, right? We need to give it some time to see where it's going. But yeah, hopefully everything turns out well. And I don't have any more buying power. As you can see here, my buying power, it's only $54. That's not really enough to do much of anything in terms of call debit spreads. So I'm pretty much fully invested now. I've got nothing else to look for. So yeah, because I'm fully invested now and I don't really have much money to play around with anymore, I'm not focusing too much on looking for new plays because I don't have any money. I don't have any money left to invest. They're all invested already. So, and these call debit spreads, they expire in December 18th. And even the AT&T one, that expires in January 2021. So all of these don't expire until at least 2 months from now. So right now, I guess I'm just going to sit back and wait. Yeah, it's just time to play the waiting game and see how these call debit spreads go. Fridays are usually red, so I expected today to be down. Hopefully things pick back up next week, or at least the next few weeks. And I guess my biggest position right now is doing very well, though. The Cinemark. Is it Cinemark? I believe it is. So the cost for this, $42,000. The cost for my Intel is $27,000. And I believe this is $33,000, the AT&T. Yeah. So yeah, my Cinemark one, the biggest position, is doing really well. I'm not too worried about any of this because, like I said, there's at least 2 months to go until expiration. I'll update you guys on what happens and how my portfolio goes. And thanks for watching. Good luck investing, guys. Happy Friday.